Hey guys, welcome back to Slime Villages. I know I posted so long ago, but I'm back finally. I was on a buying ban because I literally have so many slimes in my slime collection, so I needed to tone it down. But I'm finally back with a new slime review. This slime specifically is from a famous Etsy slime shop. If you guys don't know, it's the Sublime slime. So I placed this order on December 12th and she shipped it out the following Monday. Since I placed it on a Saturday, she shipped it out December 14th. So the expected delivery date, since as you guys can see it says the label is 2-day shipping, it was supposed to come on Thursday, December 17th. And y'all know it's December, the holiday season. USPS is extremely understaffed, and so they have a lot of packages that are delayed. And so this package was one of them, since it came all the way from Utah to New York. It took about a week to come. It came on Tuesday, December 22nd, so about a week. But I totally understand it's not the seller's fault nor USPS's fault. It's basically just like it happened, but at least I got my package. So let's get right into opening up the package and see what's inside. So I ordered a total of 4 slimes, and she did include a free 2-ounce slime, which I'm super thankful for. So like always, they include a extra baggie, and she specifically included a free wristband, which I'm so happy for because I definitely am going to use it. So inside the extra bag, she included a thank you card, her Instagram and her email attached, and then a free small Swedish fish. And then finally, of course, the activator baggie. I really like how she said activator powder, and it's in a really cute bag. She also included a little small like dipper tube, which I'm guessing is used for the activator, and then her slime care instructions. So this was a really big card, but it provided really good detailed instructions on what to do if your slime was sticky, stiff, or how to make activator. So let's get into the slimes that I ordered. So I ordered a 6-ounce of Lavender Feels, which is a therapy butter scented like lavender, fresh lavender. Next up was the free 2-ounce, which was spiced eggnog. I don't really like eggnog, so I was kind of scared about the scent. Second slime that I purchased was cotton candy frosted cake, which is a cloud cream, and it looked so pretty in the container. Third slime was Bahama Mama, thick butter slime scented tropical, and it looked so pretty in the container, the lime green and the blue ombre color. Lastly, we have Delicious bread dough slime scented French baguette. I don't really know about that little space inside the slime. I was like, is this underfilled? But at the end, this slime did inflate, so it didn't really matter. I just think that the slime moved during transit. So the first slime is cotton candy frosted cake. It's scented like cotton candy, smells super delicious. I almost dropped the slime there. And it's a super thick cloud cream slime. I know it's winter season, so it did kind of arrive a little bit stiff. All these slimes arrived kind of stiff and cold, but I know it's because of the weather, and it was still a good slime. This slime is called Lavender Fields. It is a therapy butter scented like fresh lavender. It smells super nice and relaxing. It is an essential oil scent, so it's supposed to give you that, calm feels. The look of this slime before mixing is super pretty. It's a tri-colored white, blue, and purple slime. Super pretty before mixing and after, and I just highly recommend this slime. It's super soft. Love. It's like the OG butter slime, but it's super good. Delicious is a bread dough slime scented like French baguette, and it smells not so good. I don't really want to say it's the worst scent ever, but it doesn't really smell like a French baguette to me. It smells more like oatmeal. I don't really know. I don't really like the scent, but hopefully the scent grows on me and then I'll soon start to like it. But this slime, the texture, it's super soft. It inflates a ton. That's why it's a bread slime. Literally inflates like a bread. And the color is really nice. And it does leave a little bit of snow residue, but not as much because it does have a little bit of snow in it. But it's a really good slime and I totally recommend it. I just wish the scent was a little bit different and more realistic. The last slime that I purchased was Bahama Mama. It is a thick butter slime scented like tropical. So basically the scent smells like mango, pineapple, basically all tropical fruits. It smells really nice. And this is a um, two colored slime, lime green and tropical blue. And this slime, y'all, this is probably my favorite texture out of all four slimes that I bought because it's super creamy, very fluffy, and it kind of feels like a cloud cream slime, like a cloud dough. I don't even really know. It's a really nice texture, and I really like the scent and the texture and the look of the slime. Now to the extra slime. So she gave me a free 2-ounce spiced eggnog slime. At first, I didn't really know if this was going to be a thick and glossy slime or a butter slime or a cloud slime or a cloud cream. But at the end, it's a butter slime. It's super good. Like, it is kind of more like a heavy butter slime. So it's kind of harder to stretch, but it's still a really nice slime. And the scent smells like something I can't describe. Like, it actually doesn't smell as bad. I thought it was going to smell bad because of eggnog, but it smells pretty good. So overall, I really like all the slimes that I bought. They are all really nice. I know I literally bought all butter slime or cloud cream texture, but that's like just the slime that I personally like to buy and play with. I don't really like thicker glossy slimes or any other slimes. So hopefully this review made you want to go buy from her because she sells really nice slimes. They're super good and she only sells on Etsy, so yeah, I'll have her link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what other slime shops you guys want me to review. Like, I'm open to any slime shop, both underrated and overrated or famous or small business.